why software engineering is difficult. Even in the age of generative AI, software is like entropy. It is difficult to grasp, weighs nothing, and obeys the second law of thermodynamics, i.e., it always increases. Norman R. Augustine. To the uninitiated, software engineer is synonymous with programming. So the prevailing thinking is that the rise of coding copilots will sadly turn all of us into software engineers. I believe software engineers find this notion laughable. Software engineers must understand the business requirements of their client and design software to meet them. According to Masak 2012, this task requires the ability to quickly learn new and diverse disciplines and business processes. The ability to communicate with domain experts, extracts an abstract model of the problem from a stream of information provided in discipline-specific jargon, and formulate a solution that makes sense in the context of their customer's business. The ability to design a software system that will realize the proposed solution and gracefully evolve with the evolving business needs for many years in the future. Simply put, if you are in the business of developing software, you should know about the software domain, the tools of the trade that can help you build a solution to meet business requirements. And the problem domain, understand the problem for which you are building a solution for. Granted, ChatGPT could suggest a software domain bit for you, but only when you prompt it with a business requirement and a clear understanding of the business problem for which you want to build a software solution. And you start the real job of building the software, that is when you will appreciate the quote of Norman Augustine. Software is like entropy. Entropy is a measure of the disorder of a system, or energy unavailable to do work. Increasing entropy means increasing disorder. That is normally the nature of software development. It is difficult to grasp. To be fair, coding copilots has made the understanding of codes a bit easier to grasp. Even GPT 3.5, the model that is offered free on ChatGPT, can generate very good sample code snippets, debug seemingly complex codes, and offer a thorough explanation for each line of the code. However, it will depend on how well you prompt the model, which will be contingent on your domain expertise. Waste nothing. It's all lines of code, algorithms, and digital data without a physical presence. Obey the second law of thermodynamics. What is the second law of thermodynamics? Entropy in an isolated system that is not in equilibrium will tend to increase over time until it reaches a maximum equilibrium level. It always increases. The complexity of the software that has been built keeps increasing. Clients can request for new features to be added. There can be changes in requirements, and the growing complexity of the build as the software evolves.